So first I'm using the palette. It's the blush, contouring and highlighters. One item, this one. Then second I'm using the setting powders. Third I'm using the eyebrow pencils. Fourth I'm using the liquid lipsticks. Then I'm using the concealer entire my face. So first product I'm using from Morphe is my skin tone concealer. So I'm doing 3 lines here. I'm using as a foundation. 3 lines here. One line in my chin and one line in my nose. Then I'm using beauty sponge to blend. So guys, make sure you before any makeup you prep your skin. So moisturizing is very, very important. Again, I'm using same concealer that I'm using near my mouth because I have a little bit patchiness here, and you can see it's little bit patchiness here in my forehead and under my eyes. So guys, you can apply if you got any pigmentation or any black patches or any birthmark or anywhere. If you want to hide, so just use the concealer. Then I'm using the beauty sponge, then blend again. So I applied all over my face is concealer as a foundation, and where I needed concealer, I use it as a concealer as well. Second products I'm using the loose powder under my eyes and my T-zones where I need use, so it stop became crease, especially under eyes. Not too much, little bit. Third products I'm using eyebrow pencil to fill my eyebrows. Then I'm taking brush, then I'm comb my hair upward. Then fill the gaps, slightly stroke up. So when I finish my eyebrow, then I'm using same concealer, then I'm going to clean my eyebrow. So I'm taking products like that. Then I'm using flat brush, taking the amount in the brush. Then I'm using same concealer in my eyelid as a primer. I'm taking beauty sponge, then blend. Then again I'm taking the loose powder, same loose powder, then I'm going to apply in my eyelid. So fourth item I'm using the little palette. See guys, is eyeshadow. Then apply in my eye crease. Then I'm going to blend. So I'm taking very little amount first. Then if I need it, then I'm going to build up again. So I'm keep blending. I want to make sure there is no harsh lines. When I finish apply the eye crease, then I'm taking more same bronzer. Then I'm apply the outer corner of my eyes. Then I'm creating like a V shape. Then I'm taking highlighters. Then apply the all over my eyelid. Then taking more bronzer, then I'm going back again my outer corner eye. And blend it together. Then I'm taking same highlighter. Then I'm using my finger. Apply in my eyebrow bone. You can use the brush as well. Same highlighter I'm using, then I'm using inner corner of my eyes. Same bronzer, then I'm apply the lower my eyelashes. Then I'm taking same concealer, then I'm going to clean my side the eyeshadow so it looks very sharp and crimson. So there is no mascara, no eye pencil or anything because I'm using only 5 products today. So next I'm going to contour my face. So I'm using the same bronzer. In my forehead as well. Little bit jaw lines. I'm applying in my nose as well. I'm using little brush. So make sure it's blend nicely. No leave the harsh lines. So next I'm using a blush, same palette. Then apply in my cheekbones. Again I'm taking the same highlighters, then I'm going to apply my high bones or high points. Next I'm taking the liquid lipsticks. This is very nude color. Finally, I'm taking same highlighters. Then I'm using my finger. Then apply a little bit in my nose. And little bit top of my lips. So guys, this is the final look. I used only 5 products. So I used a little palette, liquid lipsticks, eyebrow pencil, concealer into my face, then setting powders. So guys, still you can create a very glam look when you're using the less products. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.